Hi students, question number 11. The density of a material in CGS system of unit is 4 gram per centimeter cube. In another system of unit in which the unit of length is 10 centimeter and the unit of mass is 100 gram, then the value of the density of the material in the second system of unit is to be determined. So we have studied one of the applications of the dimensional analysis is we can convert the physical quantity from one system of unit into another system of unit. So here two systems of units we are going to compare. So system 1 is a CGS. Okay, so in the first system 1, which is a CGS. So length, okay, length L1 I will take, this is 1 centimeter, and volume, no, so this is M1 I will take, so this is equal to 1 gram, grams per centimeter cube. So we need the unit of mass and the unit of distance. So I have taken L1 is 1 centimeter and M1 is 1 gram, and the dimension is what, I mean the magnitude is what, 4 units. So the number of units N1 is equal to 4. Similarly, another system I am going to compare, okay, system 2. So in the second system, L2 I will take, okay. So first system is CGS. In second system, L2 is given as how many centimeter? 10 centimeter. So this is equal to 10 centimeter. And the mass M2 is given as what? 100 gram. So this is equal to 100 gram. This is in the second system. Now what is N2? The number of magnitudes N2 is to be found. Okay. Now the dimensions of density. Okay. Density is equal to mass by volume. So mass by volume. So the dimensions of density is what? M L power minus 3. Okay. Then we have studied N1 into U1 is equal to N2 into U2, where N1 is the magnitude 4 in the CGS system. We have to find what is N2. So in place of U1 and U2, we have to substitute the dimensional formula. So I am going to substitute now. So in place of N1, I can substitute 4 equal to. So this is equal to what? 4 into this M L power minus 3, no. So this is M1 L1 power minus 3 on the left hand side. Right hand side we have to find, we have to determine the value of N2 into, now M2 L2 power minus 3, M2 into L2 power minus 3. So I will take N2 on the left hand side. Therefore N2 is now equal to this 4 multiplied by, now this is M1. When you bring this M2 to the left hand side, it will become M1 by M2. So this is equal to what? M1 divided by M2 multiplied by, here L1 power minus 3, this is divided by L2 power minus 3. So that this will be totally L1 divided by L2 whole power minus 3. So N2 is now equal to 4 into M1 by M2. M1. So what is the value of M1 here? 1 gram. So I will substitute in place of M1 is equal to 1 gram divided by, what is M2 equal to? 100 gram. So this is 100 gram into, you substitute for L1 and L2. So L1 is equal to 1 centimeter. So this is 1 centimeter divided by L2 is equal to 10 centimeter. So this is equal to what? 10 centimeter. Okay. Now the gram and gram can be first cancelled. Then centimeter and centimeter also can be cancelled. Now in the denominator, 100 into 10 is what? 100 into 10 is 1000. Okay. So this is now equal to 4. This is whole power minus 3 is there. So this is 4 into 1 by 100, okay, into Now 10 power, this is 1 by 10 whole power minus 3. Suppose if you take this as what numerator, it will become what 10 power plus 3. I will substitute in steps so that you will understand clearly. This is 10 power minus 3 I have written. Understand? Whole to the power of minus 3. So that this is now equal to what 4 divided by this 100 into 10 power 3. So this is what 1000. Now you can cancel the zeros. Okay. So this 100 can be cancelled. So that the remaining is what 4 into 10, that is equal to 40. Therefore, the value of N2 is equal to 40. Which of the following options is correct? You see here option C is the correct answer, is it not? Therefore, option C. Okay, option C is the correct answer. I hope you have understood. Fine.